Hello, good morning dear students. Today in the virtual class we are solving the exercise 6.3, that is about the write down the fraction for the shaded and the unshaded part. Even we are also writing down the name of the fraction in the words, and whenever the fraction is given in the words then we are convert them in the number form. Now we are going to learn the next topic, that is addition of fraction with same denominator. Okay, so as you know what is the meaning of addition, how can you do? For example, as I say 5 plus 3, so this is a one type of addition. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. 100 plus 79, then you are doing the addition for that 179. So we are going to do the addition of the fraction. These are the simple numbers. Till now we are doing addition for the simple numbers. Now we are going to learn how can you do addition of the fraction. As you know, fraction is in the form of like this, x and y. Fraction will be came in this form. There will be upper part is the numerator and below part as a denominator. They are separated with a one horizontal line. So let's start. But whenever first rule of addition is that compulsory whenever you are doing addition of fraction, then denominator becomes same. जब आप कोई भी दो फ्रैक्शन का एडिशन कर रहे हो तो दोनों फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर जो होगा, जो बिलो द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन होता है, वो दोनों का सेम ही होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट 1 divided by 2, 1/2 plus 5/2. 1/2 plus 5/2. So how can you do the addition for that? Simply you have to be nothing do. First you have to check the denominator. आपको सबसे पहले डिनोमिनेटर देखना पड़ेगा. This is the denominator, this is the numerator. This is the denominator, this is the numerator. Right? So first you have to check the denominator, both are same or not. अगर दोनों सेम होते हैं तभी आप एडिशन करोगे, नहीं है तब उस टाइम पे फॉर क्लास 3 यू विल बी नॉट डू द एडिशन. आप एडिशन नहीं करोगे. ओनली फॉर क्लास 3 आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. ओके, सो यू कैन सी दैट देयर आर 2, हियर इज आल्सो 2. मतलब दोनों जो नंबर है दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. तो डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो आप एज इट इज लिख दो उसको. इफ डिनोमिनेटर आर सेम देन राइट डाउन सेम थिंग एज द डिनोमिनेटर. एडिशन के लिए आप जो डिनोमिनेटर आएगा वो वैसा ही आएगा. यू डोंट हैव टू डू एडिशन ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर्स. कभी भी आपको डिनोमिनेटर्स का एडिशन नहीं करना है. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग एंड फिट इन योर माइंड ऑल्सो. Whenever you are doing a addition of two fractions or other more fractions, then you don't have to do the addition of denominator. You can add only numerator. आप सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर को ऐड कर सकते हो, आप डिनोमिनेटर को कभी भी ऐड नहीं करोगे वरना वो उसी टाइम पे रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ओके, सो 1/2 plus 5/2. So how can you write down 1 plus 5? If denominator of both fraction are same, then this will be happen. अगर दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो दोनों का न्यूमरेटर का एडिशन अपने आप हो जाएगा. So 1 plus 5 divided by 2, 1 plus 5 equals to 6 by 2. This is the simple way of addition of fractions. So you have to write down a one line. Then you have to be start the examples. I will be also share the snaps of that. Whenever we add two or more fractions, when denominator, or you can write down the other sentence that we can add two fractions when denominators are same second sentence, we cannot add numerator while we cannot add denominator while we are doing addition of two fractions. Then we can add only the numerator here. Then examples. Taking the another example, 7 by 3, 7 by 3 plus 4 by 3. 7 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Now as you know, whenever we are doing addition, denominator are same. Here is also 3, here is also 3. So we can do the addition. 3 here. Now start the addition. 7 and 4. 7 plus 4. So 7 plus 4, 11. So 11 by 3. This is the answer. Second example. 19 divided by 27. 19 divided by 27 plus 15 divided by 27. 15 divided by 27. Now start the first addition of fraction. First check the denominator. Both are 27. So we can do the addition for this. So as a denominator we have to take the 27. Addition of 19 and 15 we have to do 19 plus 15. You can do like this 19 plus 15 if you want. Otherwise you can see that 9 plus 5, 14, 1 carry, 1, 2 and 3, 34 divided by 27. These are the simple examples, and it's not necessary that as a denominator there will be a single number came. 2-digit number also came, 3-digit number also came as a numerator as well as its denominator also. So I will be share the snap of this also. Okay, next homework for you. You have to do practice for this addition. Third, 15 divided by 23 plus 10 divided by 23, 4, 7 divided by 12, 7 by 12 plus 9 by 12. Fifth one, this is your homework, you have to do it. Okay. 23 divided by 38, 23 by 38, 19 by 38, sorry, 18 by 38. Last one. 26 as a denominator, in the numerator there is a 2, sorry, 17 by 26, 19 by 26. This is your homework, you have to be completed in your notebook after these two examples. Okay, so now I am going to end my video. In the next video we will learn about the next topic. As you know, after the addition always came the subtraction. So we will be solve the subtraction of fraction in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.